If you need to share a Lucidchart diagram with someone who doesn't have a Lucidchart account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to share Lucidchart with a non-user so they can view your diagram without getting stuck on login screens or account setup. This is especially useful when you're collaborating with clients, teammates, or anyone outside your organization. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software how-to guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Lucidchart document you want to share. Once your diagram is loaded, look up to the top left corner and click File. This is where Lucidchart keeps the sharing and exporting options, so it's the first place you want to check. From the File menu, hover over Share or Publish. Depending on your account type or interface version, you may see one of these options. If you see Publish, select that option. This method is one of the best choices if you want to send an interactive diagram to someone who is not a Lucidchart user. It gives them a simple web link and avoids unnecessary friction. After selecting Publish, you'll see options for which pages you want to make public. Take a moment to choose the pages that make sense for your audience. If your diagram has multiple sections and you only want to share a specific page, this is where you can control that. Once you've selected the pages, click Activate Link. This step creates a public URL that can be opened by your non-user viewers. Now copy the published link and send it to the person you want to share it with. They should be able to open it directly in their browser without needing a Lucidchart login. That makes this method great for presentations, reviews, and external collaboration where convenience matters. If you don't want the recipient to edit the diagram, or if you want to share a fixed version that won't change, there's another great option. Download and export your file. This is especially helpful when you want to email a permanent, uneditable copy. To do that, stay inside your Lucidchart document and click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then choose Export. Lucidchart will give you several file format options, and you can pick the one that fits your needs best. Common choices include PDF, PNG, or JPEG. If you want the diagram to look clean and professional for email or internal review, PDF is usually the best choice. If you need an image file for a presentation or document, PNG or JPEG may be a better fit. Before you finalize the export, you can also adjust settings like crop, resolution, and quality in the pop-up window. These options help you control how the final file looks when your non-user opens it. Once everything looks right, click Download to save the file to your computer. After that, you can attach it to an email or upload it wherever you need to share it. This is a very reliable method when you don't need the other person to interact with the document online. So to quickly recap, if you want a live, interactive version, publish a public webpage and send a link. If you want a static copy, export the file as a PDF or image and share it as an attachment. Both methods work well depending on whether you want convenience or control. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.